Hello, once again, welcome to Suspin YouTube channel. Yes, there has been this crazy noise about AI all over the place in the past couple of years. And a lot of folks have this misconception that for you to use AI, or when they, at the mention of the word AI, they believe that you have to be this almighty techie or technically savvy person before you can use AI, or you have to do a lot of engineering and IT skill for you to use AI. Yes, I agree with you. For you to build an AI tool or an AI platform, yes, you need to have some high level of technical skill. But on the contrary, for you to use an IT tool, or I mean an AI tool, to better your work at or your tasks at work, at your job or businesses, or as a student, you don't necessarily have to be that technical savvy, in quote. So there are a lot of AI tools there that have been developed for you, so that you can use them to make your work easier in whatever endeavor you find yourself. So today, I'm going to be taking us through a very powerful tool that is called humata.ai. Humata AI is a very powerful tool that can interact and analyze complex text documents, uh, in whatever format, as well as video and website. This AI tool can handle those documents, extract them, and get you ample information and save you a lot of time. This tool, called Humata AI, is a question answer kind of tool where you put in a question into the AI, and it's going to generate you an answer based on the text, or based on the document, or based on the source of the data that you have uploaded in that document. And of course, as usual, I'm going to take you through a couple of slides which you can take your time to read through, and then I'm going to jump on this very simple demonstration on how you can use this tool. So if you see on my screen there, I have few slides for you that talk about the tool. Um, I introduced the AI tool called Humata AI, and I told you that it's a powerful tool for analyzing and summarizing complex documents. Its core feature include fast documents summaries, citation highlight for traceability. That means in this case, if it gives you an answer, it's going to give you a link or a trace to where the answer is gotten from the document. And of course, I've said that it's a direct question answering method. And the benefit is that it streamlines information extraction from various files with traceable citation. If you also go further, I told you some of the core features include document summarization, citation highlight, question answering, multiple file. I think you can take your time to read through some of these documents just to get yourself familiar with that document. One important thing that I must mention is that this tool supports a variety of document formats, from PDF to Word document to PowerPoint presentation and more. You can upload a video, for example, a YouTube video. You can just supply the URL of that video, and no matter how long the video is, this tool is going to summarize this video, and you can ask the tool question about the video without you watching the video. It also has the power, the OCR power, that what we call optical character recognition. That means if you upload image, this tool can also decipher some of the information from the image and answer you. It's a very powerful tool. And if you want to learn more, you can go to humata.ai to learn a couple of and to get more information on this tool. So I'm going to jump to Humata platform and quickly demonstrate on how you can use this tool. So what we're going to do now, we are going to go to Google and search for, either you search or you type in humata.ai, humata.ai. So I have it here. So this is their platform, and then you can sign in. Of course, this tool also allow you to carry out certain function for free. But if you want to enjoy the full functionality or the full feature or capabilities of this tool, it will be important if you subscribe for the paid version. I'm still going to be using the free version here, so I'm going to log in. I've already signed in on another browser, so you can see from here I'm signed in, and this is the simple platform. So if you look at the platform, you can see it allow you to drag and drop file. These are all the format of the file that are being supported: PDF to docx to document, PPT, that is PowerPoint, and even in text. It can take a website. That means you can supply, for example, if I click on website, you see you can supply the URL, that is the address of the website, and this tool is going to go into that website, is going to, comb through the website, summarize the website, and ready to take your question on that website. The same thing for YouTube. You can upload YouTube video. Like I said, it's going to summarize it and give you the answer. But in this case today, I'm going to be demonstrating it with a document. So what I've done is that I've gone to LinkedIn and downloaded the PDF format of my resume. So let's assume I am a recruiter, and I need to attend. I need to go through a lot of resume because I want to shortlist a candidate for a particular job application. It's going to be very tough to go through volume of documents. So what I can do is I can simply upload my document, the resume, into this AI. So I'm going to go ahead now and upload my document. Document is I think it's a profile. Profile. Okay. I'm trying to look for my document. The download folder. Um, Profile. Um, I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to look for my document and I can't see it. Profile, profile, profile. Let me see quick access if I see it there. Okay. Let me just quickly look for it. Profile, 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 profile. Sorry about that. Um, I actually saw it. I've actually downloaded it earlier today, and I think I should be able to see it. Profile. I'm sorry. Sorry about it. I'll just open again and look for it. Okay, here it goes. So this is my PDF and this is my resume. You can see it here. So I will just go there and upload it. So sorry about it. So it's inside. Okay. All right. So now I know where it is. So I'll just go back to Humata and try to upload the document. So I click on upload and I look for profile. I don't know why it's not coming up. Profile. Um, mm, 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 mm. I hope I can see it. I'm sorry, guys. Profile, profile, profile. So where is it? We can actually use any other document, but this will be very easy and comprehensive if. Okay, I will just do this. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'll open it. I'll open it and save it again so that I can easily locate it. Uh, I will save it in this very good. Okay, I'm going to save it not in download this time. Mm, profile one. Then save. Okay, I'm very sorry, guys, if it doesn't. So I'm not going to go back to Humata and see if I can find it. Okay, now I have it. So now uploaded. Now I've uploaded. You can see from here the document has been uploaded. So easily we can just go on it. When it is ready, you're going to see. You can see from here it's counting the processing. When it is ready, it's going to um, turn to ask. Okay, now it's ready. So I can just click on ask. Now it's going to give me a prompt. You see, this is the summary of what is here. So I can now go ahead and interact with it. I can ask, please tell me about the owner of this resume. Just watch it. Don't forget, I just uploaded it, and you can see it said the owner of this resume is Felix Mondebe, who is a desktop. Now it's giving me reference from the document, and if you look at it, where he got that answer in that document is being highlighted, and you can see the yellow platform on the other side here. So, and it's also telling me the line where it can be found. That's why you see it here. You say it's on pages 156 because, of course, this document is more than one page. So let's assume, like I said, if I'm a recruiter and I said, okay, we are looking to hire someone with at least 5 years experience. Is Felix qualified? Okay, look at the question I'm asking you now. Because I just want to throw away any resume that doesn't. He said, yes, Felix is qualified as he has over 5 years experience in IT. You can see it. Tell me more about his experience. And of course, you see now, tell me more about Felix's experience. He said Felix is trying to extract the question from the answer. You see, and now he had listed everywhere I have worked in the past experience in my resume. So this is the power of it. So for example, let's assume you are a student and you have this huge document, maybe it's PDF file or whichever file, and you want to, quickly go through and get this. This is a very powerful tool for you that you can use, and it will do a lot for you. And don't forget, I told you that it can take YouTube video, it can take website URL, and that you can see how powerful it is. So, like I said, AI tool has been built to make your work easier, to make your life easy. So please do research. Virtually, there is virtually AI for everything you can imagine. All you need is to just search and know what to use and which to use, and then be careful with all that comes with it. I'm going to be coming with more video. I hope this will help you in whichever way, and then I hope you enjoy it. Please, if you like this video, do like and subscribe so that you can see more video like this. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.